In episode 1 of the design series, we mentioned several types of design fields and focused particularly on graphic design. We then introduced a subspecialty of graphic design which is called visual identity graphic design. A visual identity graphic designer needs to have a general knowledge of all types of graphic design. Their primary goal is to build the brand identity of a business. They do this by creating design assets for the company like logos, fonts, color palettes, and image libraries with an overarching theme that ties in with the company's goals and story and results in the creation of their brand. A very important aspect of visual identity is color. People have psychological ties to different colors, and designers can use colors very strategically to influence how your customers perceive your products. In fact, people decide whether or not they like a product in 90 seconds or less. 90% of that decision is based solely on color. That's why there's a whole science behind the use of color in design called color psychology. Red is a bright color and evokes excitement in the human mind. If you want people to think of you as young and bold and loud, then red is the color for you. Orange is also a bright color and can spark similar emotions as the color red. An interesting fact about orange and yellow is that it can make you hungry. Researchers say that warm colors like the ones mentioned above can increase a person's heart rate and hunger as a result. Moving on to cooler tones. We have green, blue, and purple. Green represents nature, growth, health, and wealth. All good and positive things. Blue, on the other hand, is a color that is not always associated with good vibes. It's a calm and cooling color that can often be thought of as depressing. But it is also one of the most commonly used colors in branding and does in fact make your brand seem more stable and trustworthy. Purple is connected to royalty and luxury. If you're offering a high-end product, do consider hints of purple in your design. Pink is for feminine products and female target markets, and brown is for a masculine and rugged feel. White showcases innocence, cleanliness, and humility. And black is the most popular color as it is symbolic of mystery, power, elegance, and sophistication. A true classic. Now that you've learned what color psychology is, you can use this to your advantage and carefully select colors for your branding that tie in with the psychology of your customer. When you take this knowledge and use it in your next meeting with your graphic designer, they will surely be impressed.